Hello, class 8 student. Class 8 student, are you there? I hope so. You are watching simultaneously and you are watching regularly my videos. I hope so. You are finding difficulty in looking at my face because there are at the back side there are some light source for which you are finding difficulty in looking at my face. Definitely you are not able to see my face properly. I am also not so much enlightened that you need to see my face. If you want to see my face, let's see. There you go. Is it clear? Perfect. And are you satisfied? If not satisfied, then again see what is going on. So clear. Now you can see clear my face. So again let's see. Okay, are you satisfied? So here we are here with the proper light source. You see, I find difficulty in making the videos during the daytime, and at the daytime very much chaos, noises are there outside there, so I find difficulty. So over the night I am trying to make the video, and also I have a child who is obviously trying to poke me out every time that he wanted to play. He is bored and he wanted to play with me every time. So it is because of this I am trying to make this video during the night time, and the cause behind it is during the night time that I have already mentioned here. But one more thing that I have got a problem, that is a light source problem. The first of all, it is dark, the room is dark. I have to stay away from outside in a separate room, and to make this every time this room is familiar to you from the back side. So class 8, let's start the session. This is the second video of the chapter agriculture that I have mentioned in the last video. In the last video we discussed about the agriculture, a small introduction about the agriculture and the factors affecting. What are those factors that we have understood? Physical factors, human factors. Among the physical factors we are having relief, soil, climate, and in the human factors we have labor, capital, market. Isn't it or not? So definitely. So today we are going to continue with the types of agriculture. What are the types of agriculture? Definitely you are having this topic in your textbook, and I know that you don't read your textbook. That is the matter of concern, and the teachers including me are aggrieved that you don't read your teacher. You are always waiting for your answers. You will learn the answers and write the answers. So that is the thing. Your output during the exam is not 100%. So to make it 100%, I am not only providing you with the answers, but I am trying to maintain the proper order, proper discipline through this discussion, video discussion. And also the videos that I am uploading, you are watching but you are quiet. Some are skipping the videos and some are so reluctant. You may have your phone with you, but you are doing some extra activities, PUBG, no, Firefly, anything more, okay, any other video, YouTube, and most probably the girls TikTok, doing TikTok like a watch, like a clock. Hey, it is not good like this. You see, you will find difficulty during the due course of time. It is lockdown period. You have to regard yourself from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. as it has been extended for the convenience of the teachers. And also your class, you are having the class alternative days, like on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, alternate, only 3 days in a week. So it has been extended to 4 p.m. for better clarification of following the routine. But still you are not doing. What would happen when the school would open there and you had to stay continuously every day, daily, regular attending the class from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Oh, sorry, I had some more food during my lunch, So I think so they are 10 to coming up. Anyway, just kidding. But still I am not hungry. Now you see from the back side, it is completely dark. Understood? No? It is complete. Why it is dark? The electricity has gone. And I am poor enough that I can afford a inverter. Whatever it is not of your concern. But still, I have my own source of electricity. Solar energy. Definitely it is not solar here. It is electricity which is being saved into the battery from the solar cell, photovoltaic cell that is coming from the sun during the daytime, and after recharging it I am using this one. I know the electricity will go on during this daytime. After some minute of load shedding, the electricity will return back, but it will interrupt my video. I know very well. So not wasting the time, let's take a small video of this one. Clear? So we will discuss about the types of agriculture. Whenever any student would think about the types of, what type of agriculture? Agriculture means खेती करना. कौन सा खेती करना है? कद्दू खेती करना है, करेला खेती करना, गन्ना खेती करना. I am telling about types of agriculture. ये गन्ना जो खेती करना है, ये कद्दू, बड़ा वाला कद्दू, अंदर में जो ऑरेंज कलर से जैसा है ना, कद्दू पसंद है ना खाने को. These are other types of, these are categorized. Other cultivations are done like rice, maize, millets, barley, even vegetables are there. ये कद्दू कहाँ में आता है? Vegetables या fruit है? It is your homework. Find out कद्दू in English, whether it is vegetable or a fruit. So find out the proper word of kaddu in Hindi. Okay. If I say in Bengali or in Assamese, you will understand ये क्या चीज़ है kaddu. Okay. But this kaddu is cultivated and it is abundant now, and it can be seen in every street. If you go by the roadside, kaddus are being accumulated by the side of the road. Okay. So kaddu का theme को हटाओ. अभी types of agriculture. So there are different types of agriculture practiced in different places. Okay. पहाड़ में पहाड़ी agriculture, plain में plain का agriculture. No. There are a special category that agriculture are being categorized. Mainly agriculture is being divided into two types, extensive and intensive. Now what is intensive? One more thing is that agriculture may be intensive or extensive depending on the size of the land and the amount of labor and capital use. When it is intensive, the agriculture when it is done for one's own family, it is called intensive. And when it is done for in commercial level, big agricultural field, okay, so that is called extensive. So again, properly if you want to classify agriculture, that on the basis of purpose of farming, why farming is done, that is subsistence agriculture. What is subsistence agriculture? Here, when a family do their cultivation, I say that agriculture, I already mentioned in the previous video that agriculture, what is agriculture? Not only doing खेती करना ही नहीं है, livestock, you see electricity has returned, livestock, okay, vegetables cultivation, dairy farming, these are also included in agriculture. So when a family do the agriculture for their own need, for their own requirement, it is called subsistence agriculture. There is no surplus for sale. These farmers cannot sell because the agriculture are not done in abundance. No extra is there. So they are cultivating land for their own need. So this is subsistence agriculture. Okay. This subsistence agriculture is being present from the prehistoric time, past. I don't know when it is done. But it is says that about from 1 lakh years, from the past 1 lakh years, people, human beings are cultivating the land. The farmers grow crops that the family eats and raise animals that provide food. So subsistence agriculture, it is clear for you. Okay. So it has been termed here that whenever a farmer has a very low yield, it is called subsistence. But whenever a farmer is cultivating the land in a large amount, and what he cultivates, it is sufficient for him, and also a major part is being sold for earning cash. Understood? So that is called as commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture farming that is practiced for business purpose. Crops such as maize, tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, cotton, etc. etc. वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सारा चीज़ है. Only for sale in a market. This also include livestock grazing and production. So what you understand? Main types of agriculture. One is subsistence agriculture and one is commercial agriculture. Subsistence agriculture are intensive. They other types of agriculture are subsistence agriculture, and also we will discuss in the later part. Subsistence also been divided into several types of agriculture for their own basic needs for the farmers. They are not able to sell their product. Commercial agriculture, they are able to sell their product. So they are also different form. Now let's discuss in detail about subsistence agriculture. Don't worry, I am not going to lengthen the video while discussing in detail. Making it short. Subsistence agriculture, intensive agriculture. One, in subsistence agriculture, the types of in subsistence agriculture there is intensive agriculture, that is which large amount of labor and capital are used on a small area of land. Small area, large amount of labor are used to obtain high yield per unit area. Use of high quality seeds, irrigation, fertilizers, industry and machinery as the reason why more capital and labor are required here. This is done in densely populated area. India is famous for subsistence agriculture. So here, taking good care of the agriculture, we are getting high input, we are giving high unit per unit area, and we are getting as a result in high output. High input, high output. Okay, and one is shifting agriculture, that is subsistence agriculture in shifting. Shifting means changing the place from one place to another. Every time it is being changing. This agriculture is done basically in the hilly area. Here the hills surface are clean, the forests are clean, the trees are clean, and cultivation are done. Okay, cleared and cultivated for some time till the soil nutrients run out. That means soil plants also need some nutrients, and from where these nutrients come? It comes from the soil itself. So until the soil retain the nutrients for the plants, then the soil can be used, the land can be used for cultivating. This is called shifting agriculture. The abundant land lies fallow. After that, the land lies fallow. No fertility, the nutrients of the soil decreases, no cultivation can be done, the plants cannot grow. After 5-6 years, again they are shifting the agriculture to another plot of land in the hilly surface. They are cleaning the forest and cultivating the land again. But the land left behind is left fallowed, that means not cultivated. That means until unless the nutrients again is retained into that land. This is very dangerous, and it is because of this shifting cultivation the forests are cleared, the rainfall, due to rainfall the soils are washed away, soil erosions are there, vagara whatever. It is also called a slash and burn method. Okay, this type of cultivation is popularly known as झूम cultivation. झूम cultivation, yes, they are calling झूम cultivation. मतलब झूम कर खेती करना. धूत तेरी. It is not झूम. झूम means cutting everything, slashing everything from all the forest, cutting of the land. बर्बाद कर देना है, इसीलिए उसको ही कहते हैं झूम. In north eastern state, the people of north eastern state are not good enough. Myself not. Okay. Another one is nomadic herding. Herding, I have also mentioned that nomadic herding is also there. So this is generally practiced in arid and semi-arid. People who roam from one place to another. Those people who roam from one place to another are called nomads, and they used to take their cattle, goats, whatever it is, to in search of fodders, in search of food, in search of grass, patch of land, water, and they used to roam into the deserts for getting. So these are the nomadic herding. It's called herding, which is related to animals. Camels, sheep, goats, horses are raised here. A herd of cattle are also raised here. So this is done specially for milk, meat, wool, vagara. Okay. Generally, this is a seasonal movement. It is not done whole through the year. So this is the types of agriculture that I have already mentioned intensive, shifty, and nomadic herding. The second part, the second types of agriculture that we have learned that about commercial agriculture. So what is commercial agriculture? Commercial agriculture which is done for earning cash, not only for one's own need, daily requirement, but also commercial. So this commercial agriculture, like subsistence agriculture, intensive but commercial extensive. Okay, so grains are farming for cash, and here the people are working, highly professional peoples are working here, and highly expensive equipments like combine harvester, tractors, plowers, rower, these are things are used. Okay, commercial trucks, diesel pumps, many things, technologies are used in commercial agriculture. America is famous for practicing commercial agriculture. So every farmer can maintain the family of 50 people at a time, whole through the year. Why? Because their output are huge. They are involved in cultivating huge patch of land. Okay, so next, mixed farming. This is another mixed farming. It is a meaning of it. That means at one space combination of croppings are done, like animal husbandry that I have already mentioned, cattle, keeping cattle animals, and also agriculture is also done there. So both crops and livestock are produced on one farm. How it is produced? Suppose I am cultivating the maize. Maize I am extracting, but the plants of the maize, greenery maize, can be used as fodder for the animals. So that animals gives us meat, flesh, skin, and also milk, which is very popularly extracted in all parts of the world. So both crops and livestock are produced on one farm in mixed farming. They is generally found in Europe, North America on a large scale. The farmers range from small to medium in size. Small to medium in size. Usually we would find many buildings on a farm. So in this way, another farming is called plantation farming. This is done in estates or plantation of tropical areas. Plantation, that is tea or cultivation through plantation method. Plants are there for about 15 to 20 years. That tea bush will give us leaves, okay, soft leaves, and these leaves are pruned every time. Okay, the old leaves are pruned every time so that new leaves will come, and that new leaves are used for making tea leaves. Okay, so another plantation types are cultivation in from what are the crops that are cultivated in plantation method? Coca, the chocolate that we are eating, it comes from coca. Sugar, rubber, okay, rubber tree, palm, paptan, khajur, आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका. The dialect is gone, no? We say tea, coffee, etc. So crops types were determined by the soil and the climate of the place. So another I have already mentioned, that is dairy farming. That is dairy farming. Dairy farming, I already mentioned it, dairy farming for milk. Okay, so these are the types of farming, and in the next video I will discuss with the other thing. You see my son who has been finding, come here, he escaped. He has finished his study now and he has come to disturb me. So I am with the other in the other room that he cannot disturb. Now he is going to come, he is going to attack me in a different way. So I don't want to ruin my video. Immediately I am going to stop this video. So do watch this video and try to find out the fault that you don't understand, and in the next day you tell me about the ask me the question, whatever it is. So I will try to remain online. Thank you. Oh,